Alright, here we go. Welcome to the Donkey Kong Minecart Madness Coaster at Universal's Epic Universe. As we roll out of the station, you can already see how much detail went into the theming. Lush jungle, temple ruins, and that classic Donkey Kong vibe. If you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now we pick up speed, and there's the first big turn. The track design makes it look like the cart leaps right off the rails, just like the video game. Every turn is smooth but keeps you on edge. Watch this, another big one coming. It's such a clever illusion. Look around, there are animatronics, sound effects, and hidden nods to the Donkey Kong world. It feels like you're inside the game. Here we come into the final stretch. One last turn as we glide back into the station. And that's the full ride, short, fast, and absolutely worth it. Would you ride this on your next visit to Epic Universe? If you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe.